Are you considering buying a home in New Jersey in the near future, but you don't have any idea how much it costs? Well, in this video, I'm going to explain to you a basic breakdown of the money you need to have ready to buy a home in New Jersey, right after this. Hi, my name is Camille Haynes. I'm a real estate professional in the northern New Jersey area. As always, I want to thank you again for watching my video. And if you do need any help with buying or selling a home in the northern New Jersey area, please feel free to reach out to me. Also, if you like what you see, make sure you subscribe to my channel where I have a lot of great resources, content, and information for prospective home buyers and home sellers in the northern New Jersey area. Now let's get into the basic cost of purchasing a home in New Jersey. If you are a first-time home buyer seriously considering buying a home in the northern New Jersey area, you might not have any idea of the basic cost of buying a house. So this video is for you. I like to break this down in various categories, the first being the down payment. The down payment is dependent on what type of mortgage program you are going to be using. If you are going to use a conventional loan, typically that amount would be 5% of the purchase price. Although there are some banks out there that will allow you to finance the home with less down. If you are an FHA buyer, the minimum required down payment is 3.5%. And for VA loans, that is 0. So first important item is to determine what kind of loan product you're going to be using and what the requirements are for the down payment. The second area I would like to focus on is out-of-pocket expenses. This is going to be the time that home buyers are going to be charged directly to complete some things during the process of buying the home. The main areas where you will be charged for are your home inspections. This can be a general home inspection or special inspections like your termite, radon, underground oil tank, pool, chimney, sewer lines, and the list can go on. So every time you order an inspection, you will be charged directly for that. And this is not reimbursed if the deal falls through. Another time you will be charged is for the appraisal. Typically, you are looking around $500 to $600 for the lender to order the appraisal on the property. This is another expense. If the deal falls through, you will not be reimbursed for. Another time you will be charged out of pocket is when you hire an attorney. In the northern New Jersey area, typically we use attorneys to complete closings and not title companies. So every time you try to go through the process of purchasing a home, your attorney is going to charge you for services rendered. Sometimes they charge you a retainer fee. Other times they wait until the closing table to recoup their money. Expect in the northern New Jersey area for an attorney to cost you in the range of $1,000 to $1,750 for the real estate transaction. It can be more if it is a short sale or foreclosure because the amount of extra paperwork that is necessary to make that deal close. Another important thing you would have to pay for upfront is the first year of homeowners insurance. A lot of lenders require that homeowners insurance is in place at the time of closing, and they will require 12 months in advance. Why you say 12 months? Well, unfortunately, during the housing bubble back in the 2006 to 2012 range, one of the first things a lot of homeowners who were in default stopped paying on was their homeowners insurance. So a lot of lenders are now requiring at least 1 year in advance. And in this area, you can look at something in the range of maybe $1,000 to $2,000 for your first year of homeowners insurance. This does not include flood insurance though. One last thing you would have to pay for out of pocket is the loan application fee. Some lenders require that you pay this application fee up front. while some, once again, will charge it to the closing cost, which we're going to get into in a second. This amount can vary by lender, so it's important that you have this conversation with your lender in advance about their application fees and how they're handled. And the last big category are the buyer closing costs. A lot of buyers might hear this term closing costs, but they don't necessarily know what it means or what it even entails. So this is, just think about all the things that are done behind the scenes to make sure that you get your loan, that you get the paperwork done, that everything comes together for you at the closing table. These are fees that are going to be charged by your lender, the title company, and possibly the attorney for services rendered and things done behind the scenes. These things can include your title, your survey, any loan origination fees, any credit report pulls, also recording the documents with the county and the state. So all of these things behind the scenes comes up to your grand total of the closing cost. Typically for closing cost, I like to say something in the range of an additional 3 to 6% of the purchase price. What you should do is ask your lender for what's called a good faith estimate. When you ask for this, your lender will give you at least a synopsis of what these fees are, what their averages are, and what they possibly will cost you to close on a house in the New Jersey area at a certain amount. So ask for this document and it will give you a better indication on what you need to pay for with your closing cost. During this process, it's important that you rely on the expertise of your team. That is your lender, real estate attorney, and agent to assist you on the cost of purchasing a house in the northern New Jersey area. Your teammates, especially your lender, should give you a basic idea of what it really entails to purchase a home. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, my contact information is below and I would love to help you out. Otherwise, I hope this video was a resource to you and I wish you the best with your home search. Take care.